This is CXMOTO, where performance meets the future. New cars, real insights. Let's dive in. For the last several decades, the unwritten rules of ultra-luxury automotive supremacy have been dictated almost exclusively by the Europeans. If you wanted the absolute pinnacle of prestige, a vehicle that announced your arrival with unquestionable authority, you bought a Rolls-Royce, a Bentley, or a Maybach. American luxury, while historically grand, had slowly transitioned into the realm of mass-produced premium comfort rather than true bespoke exclusivity. But the automotive landscape is experiencing a violent electric tectonic shift. The playing field has been completely leveled, and Cadillac has decided that merely surviving in the premium segment is no longer enough. They want the crown back. They're betting an astonishing $340,000 that the Celestiq is the new undisputed king of the bespoke luxury world. But can a brand known by most for the Escalade truly outclass the hand-built, century-old heritage of a Rolls-Royce? Today, we are dissecting every single inch of this one-of-one American flagship to see if it delivers enough prestige and raw data to justify a starting price that rivals a luxury home. To understand what actually makes the Celestiq a masterpiece, you have to completely erase your understanding of how modern vehicles are manufactured. There is no traditional assembly line for this car. There are no sparks flying from robotic welding arms moving at breakneck speed. Cadillac has fundamentally shifted from mass production back to the lost art of American coach building. The Celestiq is built at the General Motors Global Technical Center in Warren, Michigan, specifically in a newly developed facility called the Artisanal Center. It is not a factory floor, it is a specialized, highly sterile clean room. At any given time, there are no more than 6 of these vehicles being crafted.
You cannot simply walk into a Cadillac dealership, point to a Celestiq on the lot, and drive home. The purchasing process is a deeply personalized multi-month client journey that mirrors the legendary commissioning process of a Rolls-Royce Spectre. Clients work one-on-one with Cadillac's top concierge designers to select completely bespoke paint colors, ultra-premium sustainable leathers, and unique metal finishes. Because of this obsessive, hand-built nature, there is a very real chance that no two Celestiqs will ever leave the facility looking exactly alike. The very skeleton of the car justifies the astronomical price tag. It utilizes a highly advanced bespoke architecture and features 115 distinct 3D printed parts throughout its structure and interior. This isn't automation, this is pure artisanship. We're talking about 3D printed aluminum window switches, grab handles, and steering wheel decor. The use of additive manufacturing allows Cadillac to create intricate, customized metalwork and tactile experiences that simply cannot be achieved through traditional stamping methods. By replacing plastic clips and standard switchgear with cold, heavy 3D printed structural metal, Cadillac is intentionally repositioning itself from a volume manufacturer into an artisanal studio. But old-world craftsmanship means nothing in the modern era without world-beating technology. Stepping inside the Celestiq is like boarding a private Gulfstream jet from the year 2030. The entire dashboard is consumed by a massive 55-inch pillar-to-pillar high-definition display. It spans the absolute width of the cabin. Now, having a screen that massive could easily be distracting, especially at night, so Cadillac implemented active digital privacy blinds. This allows the front passenger to watch high-definition video content or browse the internet, while the screen actively blocks the driver's viewing angle, ensuring the driver never sees the glow from the passenger side of the display. However, the crowning technological achievement of this cabin is actually located directly above your head. The Celestiq features a fixed, variable transmission smart glass roof panel. It doesn't have a traditional fabric sunshade because it simply doesn't need one. It utilizes suspended particle device technology, which allows the glass to instantly change from completely opaque to totally transparent. What makes this a true masterclass in luxury is that the roof is divided into 4 distinct independent quadrants. If the driver wants the sun shining in, but the rear right passenger wants total shade to take a nap, each individual person can set their own level of tint ranging from 1 to 100%. It is an AI-driven concierge experience aimed squarely at outpacing the traditional and,
sometimes clunky, luxury interfaces found in older European rivals. Of course, all of this heavy, sound-deadening glass, those massive screens, the rich leather, and the enormous footprint add up. The Celestiq is an absolute heavyweight, pushing the scales well over 3 tons. So, how do you move a vehicle this incredibly massive with effortless grace? You use the absolute peak of the Ultium electric platform. Sitting incredibly low in the floor to anchor the center of gravity is a massive 111 kilowatt-hour battery pack, feeding a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup. Let's look at the numbers. The Celestiq produces an estimated 600 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque. In a high-strung, lightweight sports car, 600 horsepower feels violent and aggressive. But in the Celestiq, the engineering goal was effortless thrust. Because electric torque is instant, it hurls this massive land yacht from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. You will never hear an engine roar or a transmission downshift. You will simply arrive at your desired speed. To keep the ride quality strictly in the magic carpet category, Cadillac is utilizing the latest generation of magnetic ride control paired with adaptive air suspension and active roll stabilization. The suspension literally reads the road 1,000 times per second, individually adjusting the magnetic fluid in the dampers before the tires even hit a pothole. To make sure this boat doesn't feel like a nightmare to park, you also get active rear steering. The rear wheels can turn up to 3.5 degrees out of phase with the front wheels, making this massive sedan maneuver like a compact car in tight city traffic. As for efficiency, moving this much weight while powering 5 massive interior screens and a smart roof requires a tremendous amount of energy. The real-world range is projected to be around 300 miles on a full charge. While that isn't breaking any world records compared to something like a Lucid Air Grand Touring, it is highly competitive in the ultra-luxury segment. Furthermore, we need to talk about the reality of EV ownership at this wealth bracket. Buyers dropping this kind of money are not sitting at public fast chargers off the highway. The true luxury of an EV at this price point is the ownership savings of time. With a dedicated high-voltage home charging setup, the owner simply plugs the car in at their estate and wakes up to a full tank every single morning, completely eliminating the need to ever stand outside at a gas station again. Which brings us to the ultimate verdict on US market pricing and global standing. The Celestiq carries a base price of roughly $340,000. However, with the limitless level of bespoke customization available, it is expected that average transaction prices will comfortably push past the $400,000 mark. That puts it directly in the boxing ring with the Rolls-Royce Spectre EV, which starts around $420,000. For decades, suggesting a Cadillac could compete with a Rolls-Royce on price and prestige would get you laughed right out of a showroom. But the Celestiq completely changes the math. Rolls-Royce leans heavily on century-old tradition and silent opulence. Cadillac has decided to lean into bold, unapologetic American futurism. The Celestiq offers vastly superior interior screen technology, an incredibly advanced suspension architecture, and the cultural impact of being a true one-of-one disruptor. Is the Celestiq the world's most exclusive bespoke electric sedan? It might very well be. It proves that American craftsmanship can still reclaim the summit, and it signals to the entire automotive industry that Cadillac is fiercely committed to permanently taking back its title as the standard of the world. If you enjoyed this future-focused analysis, make sure to hit like, subscribe to CXMOTO, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into what's coming next. Because here, we don't chase rumors, we analyze their impact. See you in the next one.